'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring.
Hey, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the oils from your starter kit. So here we go. If you became a member of Young Living, you did that by purchasing a starter kit. The kit I'm going to talk about today is called the Premium Starter Kit. So it comes in a box like this. It has a cover like this with the, upside down. That's a picture of the lavender field. And this kit is the best value for your money because you get almost $300 worth of products for about $165. In the front here, it has some informational packets, a little bit about some of the oils, a little bit about the farms, and just some information that's beneficial for you to look at. Okay, you can remove the cover here, and then you have 10 oils right here. Okay, the first oil I'm going to talk about is called Valor. Valor is nicknamed chiropractor in a bottle. It's very balancing. You can use this and put a drop right on your spine and the back of your neck before you get a chiropractic adjustment. It helps things to move easier. A lot of people use it if they're going to be in situations where they might feel nervous or tension, maybe scared, anxiety. You can apply it right on your wrist or right on your neck or your chest. That is just a couple uses of Valor. It has many uses. Next, we have peppermint. Okay, peppermint is good for sore muscles. You can put it right on your sore legs, your sore back. Do not put peppermint near your eyes or on sensitive skin. It is considered a hot oil. Now, I just applied it right along my forehead, right here, my hairline. You can do that for a headache. I just did it because my eyes look like they're dead, so I'm trying to stay awake. It helps to wake you up. It's got a cooling feeling, similar to icy hot. It has many, many uses. I also like to use it for upset stomach. You can apply it right on your stomach or belly button. Next is lavender. People use this for calming. You can put it in your diffuser. You can use it right on your chest if you're having anxious feelings. You can take it for allergies. I have used it right on my nose to help clear up my nose. You can apply it right on top of poison ivy or wounds, skin irritations. If this is your first time using these essential oils, I suggest mixing it with a fatty oil such as coconut oil or olive oil to dilute. It will slow the absorption into your skin. So if you're a first-time oil user, please dilute your oils. Next is Raven. You can see it has the child safety cap. This is a blend for respiratory issues. So people like to apply it on the chest or the back, the lungs. If they're having some breathing issues, I have used it right over the bridge of my nose to help my nose not be stuffy at night. It's also known for its calming effects. So it's very beneficial and it's great to have in the winter time when you have a cold and flu season. The next oil is called Panaway. This one also kind of has an icy hot effect, but there's nothing that's chemically manufactured in this oil. It's all from plants. So this is great for backache, muscle aches, anywhere you have pain or soreness or stiffness. It's good for people to use for arthritis, like right on your knees and your joints. Many uses for that oil. Next is called Digize. Now, Digize smells bad, but it works really good. This is for upset stomach, indigestion, or heartburn. You can think of the name meaning digestion. It supports your digestive system. I like to use it if I'm feeling nauseous. I will put it right on my stomach. I have taken a drop on my tongue before. It doesn't taste the greatest, but it works. If you're feeling nauseous, you have an upset stomach, this is great.
'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire.